Hi everyone, it's Amber from The Sensible Mama. There's terrible lighting in here and I'm sorry about that, but you're not going to be seeing all this for long. We're going to get right into the 5 Ways Wednesday today, but I got to do a brief introduction. Today I'm going to be showing you 5 ways to pack the brand new Zip It pencil pouches that we just got in stock at thesensiblемama.com. These are absolutely so stinking cute. So look, it's a little pencil pouch with these cute little eyeballs. How adorable is that? The entire pouch is made out of a zipper. And I did not fully understand what that meant when we placed this order, but look at this. It's one big zipper, which it doesn't serve any real purpose, but it does kind of help you to open up the pouch a little bit wider, which I think is super cool. Now, when you have this pouch shut, and this is just gonna crack me up every time I see this. When you have the pouch shut, it looks like this, bored pouch, very bored and disinterested. But when you open these pouches up, look at how cute. It's so stinking adorable. So this is just aesthetic. This is not the actual zipper. The zipper goes over top of that, which is why when you zip it up, you don't see that anymore. But it's so cute. My kids have been loving these. They'll sit and play with the bag, sometimes more than the stuff that is in it. So this comes in 2 sizes, the jumbo size, which looks like this, and the smaller pencil bag style size that looks like this. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways to pack up the jumbo size and 2 ways to pack up the smaller size. Lots of the things that I'm going to be showing you here today are available at thesensiblемama.com. A few things are not available here, but everything that I can, I will link down in the description box below. And if this is your first time checking out my channel, hello, my name's Amber. I'm the owner of thesensiblемama.com, and I'd like to take a minute to just tell you a little bit about my business. The Sensible Mama is an online baby boutique for babies, toddlers, big kids, and moms. Our warehouse is located in Atlanta, Georgia, and we are mama owned and mama operated. Our website, thesensiblemama.com, is a place where you can find all of the best known names in the industry researched by us. We are also the home of LYMIA Brand, which is a high-end line of diaper bags, sunglasses, and accessories designed by me with busy moms on the go in mind. While you're there, make sure you sign up for our Sensible Reward program or apply for the affiliate program to start earning money either through cash back in the store or directly deposited to your bank account. Lastly, make sure you're following The Sensible Mama on Instagram to be ahead of the game for all store news and product launches. And with that said, let's get right back into today's content. Okay, so the first one is probably the most simple, but I thought it's also the most relatable. I've got this packed up as a little diapering pouch, which turned out super cute. So here we go. There's the little teeth. What I like about doing this way is that you can pop this open like this and get directly to your wipes. This is the Itzy Ritzy Wipes case in here. We've got this in a ton of different prints and colors right now, and I just love that you can get into this really easily. Most pouches that open from the top here, that makes it a little bit challenging to get just to your wipes without taking everything out. So this is a great solution to that. I will say the Itzy Ritzy Wipes pouch, which is a little bit bigger than some of the others on the market, is slightly larger than this pouch. So you do have to fold it just a tiny bit in order to do this and also get diapers in it. But as you can see here, I'm able to put 2 size 6 diapers in here, just kind of folded over. And it works great. There's also a little bit of room left if you want to add some butt balm and things like that. And plus, I haven't filmed the intro for this video yet, so I doubt I've shown you this. Because this can zip all the way around, you can create a little extra space for yourself to wiggle the wipes pouch in. So let me show you what that looks like. So this way, I just got myself a little bit of a wider opening to work with, and now I can zip this back up, kind of around the wipes case, which is kind of cool. There we go. And then we can just zip it right back up. Way number 1, diapering pouch. Up next is a little sensory play kit, which I think is super cute for keeping your toddlers busy on the go. This is just a bunch of the sensory style stuff that we carry at The Sensible Mama, and it feels like a nice emergency bag for keeping kids busy and out of trouble on the go. So first, two things that I have in here are these little sensory balls. These are from BeginAgain. They're very tactile. They just feel really good to play with. Little ones can chew on them because they are non-toxic. It's just something that they can really enjoy. And because it's got these holes in it, you can know that it's not gonna get moldy or anything like that. Even as an adult, I just kind of enjoy playing with these. So toss 2 in there for fun on the go. I think it's a great little thing to play with. Next, I have one of these little fidget keychains. I like these a lot. They're very similar to the Simple Dimple, but of course this one's got 3 poppers instead of 2. And it does give a nice satisfying little snap. If you wanted to, you could even loop this through the zipper instead of having it on the inside, but I kind of like to just toss it inside for my kids. Next, I have a Kitt'd kit. This one is Puppet Show on the go, but we have tons of different types of these little kits. But I think this is great for sensory, like a sensory kit like this one, because this is something that is tactile and imaginative. So they're able to pull out these little finger puppets. In here, we've got a little dinosaur or a lizard. And here we have a little hen. As you can see here, so you can play with your toddler or they can play on their own. And then there's also these cute little backgrounds that they can set up. Remember, these are meant for playing with on the go, so obviously they're small, but what's kind of cute is if they want to pretend like their little animals are out on the mountain range or something, they can actually set up a little scene. So just so you get a glimpse of it. It'll actually stand up and they can play in front of the scene, which is super cute. Again, sometimes on the go, it's just about getting your kids to focus on something else rather than whatever is the activity that they're bored with at that time. The last thing that I have in here is the penny block set. It comes like this, so you get a little organizer for it, but I just put them all inside of here. These are 10 wooden blocks, and I've just found that these serve a lot of purposes, whether just to keep little hands busy by stacking, so they can sit and they can build little things like this, or to actually be educational as well. So while you're out, you can sit down and you can talk about numbers and which numbers line up to which number of dots. So this is number 2, count 2 dots and things like that. You can work on colors and numeric representations like adding and subtracting. There's just a bunch of cool stuff that you can do with this, and it's educational too, which is always great. Plus they just go really nicely back inside of this pouch. This next way is packed with art kit stuff. I gotta show you. Sorry, this cracks me up every time because the eyes on this thing when you have it zipped up, it just looks so bored. But when you open it, it's like a big toothy grin. It just makes me so happy. Like, you know, you gotta appreciate the little things. Okay, so what I think is amazing about this bag is just how much it will hold. It stays open, nice and big like this, so kids can actually sit it down and get into it and see everything that's inside of it, but it's still nice and compact where things aren't gonna go rolling out. So let me just show you what I have in here. These are all things we have in stock from Ooly at thesensiblemama.com. I've got scented highlighters, a full set of pastel twist up crayons here. Then I've got my double-ended markers. So these are ones that have 2 colors, 1 on each side. And then I've got a set of macaroon erasers in here. But I just think it's really great how well everything fits in there. It's easy to get things in and out. So getting everything put back in isn't a hassle. For me, it's like at restaurants, you know, you're ready to leave, you've paid the check, kids' patience has run out, you're ready to go, and sometimes it's hard to get all of the stuff they were playing with back inside of a pouch. This one is just, it's so easy and I love it. So I think what I'm gonna do, I think you've mostly seen like how functional the jumbo size bag is gonna work for you and like kind of get some ideas of what will fit in there. So I think for the next 2 ways, I'm gonna switch to the small size pouch so you can get an idea of how it packs up. Okay, so this is the smaller size pouch. Here it is compared to the jumbo. This is more the size of what I would think of as like a pencil case. This one is definitely much bigger. So you've got a big size difference there. What I have in here are 2 pair of sunglasses. The LYMIA brand sunglasses come in a bamboo case, and they also come with a black pouch for protecting them and keeping them clean on the go. You could fit 2 pairs of sunglasses in this pouch, whether you have them inside of this black pouch or not. Of course, if you put them inside of the pouch first, you're getting extra protection for your lenses. But they fit really nicely inside of there. Whether you're wanting to keep sunglasses in here for yourself and your partner who's out with you, or you and the kids, or even if you have prescription glasses you want to keep in there, it fits really, really nicely. And I think this is a cute way to bring your sunglasses along with you. Just remembering that this is not going to protect them from breaking. If they get squished, it's only going to protect them from getting scratches. Okay, so this is the last way I'm going to show you how these pack up today. And to be honest, this is just my absolute favorite. I think this is so darling. I've got this packed up as like a little quick touch-up kit for mom. So this is not packed up for babies. And I just think this is so cool. So I know that not everyone will have what this is right here. I'll show this to you in a minute. But what I think is great about the size of this, it's the perfect size for just bringing along makeup brushes or lipstick, mascara, any of those things that you kind of use for quick touch-ups on the go. So what I have in here is some of my lipstick, my eyeliner. Everyone always asks, I use L'Oreal Telescopic Liquid Eyeliner in Carbon Black. I've got some mascara in here, a lip lining pencil, some smudging eyeliner, and then this, my favorite thing. My favorite thing. So I got this, I can't remember if I bought this in the store or on Amazon. If I can find a link for it, I will link that for you down below. This is a USB rechargeable straightener and curler. So right here I can specify whether I want to do straight or curl. If I set it to curl, it heats up the outer plates, and if I set it to straight, it heats up the inner plates. It holds a charge pretty well. I've used this now 3 days in a row just for like quick touch-ups on my hair while I've been out. And it works. It's still got a charge. Right now you can see it's heating up, but it's already getting warm. I love this thing. You can lock it back up as soon as you're done, and use this piece to close it up so you can toss it right back into your bag even while it's still hot, because this is gonna protect it from heating anything else inside of your bag. And I just think it's brilliant, and I cannot believe that it fits in here. It just makes me so happy. So if you're looking for just like a little pouch for carrying your stuff with you on the go, and you're loving these little teeth and the cute little eyes, I think this is just absolutely adorable. All right, that was it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you're wanting to check out these bags, we do have them in stock. They're linked down below. If you don't see something that catches your eye, we do have more shipments of these bags coming in weekly. So either if something that we had that you wanted is out of stock, check back. It may be back in stock in a few days. And we always have new and exciting things from Zip It coming back in now that they're a new vendor of ours. So thank you so much for watching. Love ya, mean it always. Mwah. And I'll see you in the next one.